Hello my lovelies, here I am for another one of NAHRIN'S quick tips. If you are ever using an eyeshadow that has a lot of kickback in the pan, which basically means it becomes a mess when you dab a brush in for color, you will have fallout when you place the eyeshadow on your eyes. Don't panic, do this trick that I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so here I am dipping into the NAHRIN palette, grabbing the Soul color. So basically just dabbing it into the pan will put a ton of product on the brush, and it very well might leave fallout on the tops of your cheeks. So in order to avoid that, take your brush. You can either spray it, but you can also do it without spraying it too. Take the brush, have the eyeshadow on the top, bring it to your lid, wherever you want to put it, place it on there and stamp it in. Initially press the product in and then drag where you want it and then tap and start blending away. And I promise you won't have fallout. If you do, you will have very minimal. I have a little bit of fallout here and here. I'm gonna take a powder brush, the number 2 brush from the Marble BH Cosmetics brush set. Always dip the powder brush in a pressed powder or loose powder and just flick it off. Whew. Goodbye. And everything will be right as rain. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please click the button down below, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in the next video. Take care.